Hi, I'm Dr. Jimmy Galvez Tan of Health Teachers Foundation, here to share with you the natural treatment for the signs and symptoms of COVID-19. Now that we have a surge again, this 2022, I'd just like to tell you one of the best remedies is just found in your kitchen. And this is the ginger, okay? So for ginger, all you need is really a thumb size ginger. And the thing here is that you can, yes, for me, this is my thumb. A thumb size ginger, always in 2 glasses of water. So if you want to drink more, you can have 3 thumb sizes from this, just cut it out. And then you have 6 glasses. And you don't need to peel off the skin of the ginger because that contains many medicinal properties and antioxidants. And so just clean it up and then just cut this into 4 pieces. No need to chop, no need to crush. And just put it there, 2 glasses in a casserole. Okay, and small fire, the slowest fire that you can have. And if you want more, as I said, you can. The ratio is always a thumb size of ginger and 2 glasses of water. Then the way to take it is take it every 4 hours. You can add calamansi or lemon and honey or coconut sugar or muscovado sugar just for flavoring. And for children, by the way, no need to boil, just slice it. Slice this one and just dip it 15 minutes in hot water so it will not be strong in terms of the hot elements of the ginger. So that's how to use ginger. The other one is, of course, you can also cut the ginger into small pieces, like strips of toothpick, half a toothpick size. And this is like if you have an irritating cough, you have a sore throat, you have a itchy throat, a sneezing, continuous flow of your colds, and anything there that disturbs your nasal passages, ginger again is the answer. But this time, because I want complete relief throughout the day, cut the fresh ginger into small pieces, as small as a half toothpick size. And once you have had that, put it under the tongue, right deep there in the root of the tongue, because the tongue contains so many blood vessels that the antibiotics, the antioxidants, the medicinal properties of ginger easily gets into the throat, into the circulation of the mouth, the nose, and as well as the whole body.